Hi, I'm Diya.
Hi, I'm Shreya.
And we bring to you Disha Recipes. Today we are going to be making clear veg soup. For that you will be needing
Corn, cabbage, cauliflower, carrot, broccoli, ginger, chili, garlic, limbu or lemon, and spring onions.
all of them have been cut into small florets, especially the cauliflower and the broccoli. The carrot has been diced and the cabbage has been cut into small pieces. So for this you will be needing these vegetables. You will be needing olive oil, and this is upon your choice, oregano or chili flakes,
and ginger garlic paste.
and in the end you will be needing corn flour also. So for this, first I will be telling the recipe in short. First you have to put oil and saute the garlic, chilies and the ginger in the same pan till they get slightly golden brown, especially the garlic. Then you have to add the other vegetables to it. You have to put very little oil because it's clear soup, and if you make clear soup with a lot of oil, in the end you will have oil on the top, which you do not want. Then after you saute all the vegetables for some time, they should not become very soft, they should remain pretty raw. Then you take a big vessel, you put, I am making for 6 people, so I will put 3 big glasses of water, around this big glass of water, and to put the veggies first, then the water, and boil it for some time, around 5 minutes, and then your soup is ready. Okay, so let's get started. So now the gas has been turned on, it is in sim, and now I'll be putting little bit of olive oil in it. To wait for the oil to heat, and then I will be adding the garlic, chilies and the ginger. Now first I'll add the garlics, ginger, and chilies.
Garlic, gingers and chilies.
Now we have to saute them till they turn golden brown. So now we have been sauteing the garlic and chili ginger for around 2 to 3 minutes, and it looks somewhat like this. Now I will be adding all the vegetables in an order upon which I have to fry first. Now this has water, so we have to move behind, otherwise it will splatter on us. Reduce the gas a little bit. So now I have added all my corn. Now the rest of them you can put in any order you want.
Now start adding the other veggies.
The spring onions you should only add when you are making the soup, and when you are boiling the water, only then you should add the spring onions, otherwise they get very soft. Now you can add little bit more oil. So now I will be sauteing the veggies till they become slightly soft, and you can add a little bit more oil but not too much. So now it has been sauteed for around 1 minute. Now we will be adding all our other ingredients to it. So you can add oregano and chili flakes. It is not compulsory. You may add it if you want. It gives a nice taste too. You should not add the chili flakes and the oregano in the beginning to the oil, otherwise the oil gets colored. Then I am going to be adding some ginger garlic paste. I have already put ginger and garlic, but this gives it a very tangy flavor to it. Just around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I have to add 2 spoons of salt.
Looks very yummy to me.
Now I will saute this for another around 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so now our veggies are nicely sauteed. Now we will be transferring them to this vessel. You can always use a flat bottom vessel and it should not get burnt when you are boiling it.
Now we need
Now
to add
I'll
the
put the
veggies.
veggies into the bowl. Okay, now I have added all the vegetables into the pan. Now I will be adding 2 to 3 glasses of water.
I feel like eating it now.
I will be adding some more water to it. You can increase or decrease the water depending upon how many people are going to be having the soup. Over here, 6 people are going to be having the soup, so I'm going to be adding some more water. Now you can add your spring onions to the soup. Now you have to wait for it to boil for around 5 to 6 minutes. When the veggies start coming up slightly, then you can reduce the gas. So all the veggies have come up now. Only the carrots are still at the bottom, as you can see. So we'll just wait for some more time. By the time they come up, then your soup will be ready. Okay, so our soup has been boiling for some time now, and as you can see, it's all coming up from the middle. Now I'll be reducing the gas. I'm keeping it on sim, and I'll be adding 1 spoon of corn flour. Now I will be adding 1 spoon of corn flour to it. You should stir it well after the corn flour so there are no lumps in the water. Okay. 3. So now that I have added the corn flour, you can let it be in sim for around 1 or 2 minutes as per how much thickness you want. The corn flour is to add a little thickness to the soup. So now the soup is done and I am ladling out some in a bowl. It's nice and warm right now. Should I taste it?
Okay.
It's hot, careful.
Yummy. I love it.
So this soup, you can always add lemon to it right before you eat the soup. Right.
You can have this with bread, crouton.
or rice.
It's the most yummy meal you can ever have for dinner.
So that's it for today. We will be back with more recipes and different kind of tutorials.
Like, share, subscribe, comment.
And do let us know how you liked our soup. Bye.
Bye.